Hey guys, here for another review. I would have done one yesterday, but I went out to Newcastle on the lash, basically. So let's just say I had to stay over in Newcastle all night, so I've been busy. Let's just say that. Well, I'm going to review a figure that I've been wanting to get for ages and finally got him through the post. Misfire. Targetmaster Misfire. Ah. I can see why people have said target masters aren't brilliant, but me personally, I really like them. I'll just take this off because this is obviously aimless. I'm not going to transform him mainly because you may be able to see that, but to actually transform him, you have to click these bits round, and when I do, it looks like it's about to break. There, like that kind of thing. It kind of clicks around, and these back bits here, if you saw that, they're getting quite weak, or they look like they're quite weak, and if you keep transforming it, it looks like it might snap. So that's one bad thing about Aimless. I have two other target masters, which are the Hot Rod and Ricochet Takara reissues, and they're on not ball joints but hinges. So, excuse me, with screws, so it's just flipping, which means that they don't snap. I don't know if this is just for this character or if all target masters were originally designed like this, but you know, I'll have him like that most of the time anyway. Anyway, on to Misfire himself. I personally love this jet mode. It is one of my favourite jets of all time. It's just such a unique kind of shape. I love it. It's hard to explain it. I've got the fist out there because this hand is really stiff. I'm guessing from age, so if I have it hidden under, it's going to take a lot of effort to get out, and it could break, and I wouldn't want that. Anyway, I'm going to transform him straight away, unlike in my usual videos, just because it's quite fast to transform. You just flip legs down, flip that, flip that, flip that. Now hopefully the hand will come out straight away. Yes, it will. And essentially that's Misfire. Very simple. Interestingly enough, I didn't know, but his face is actually kind of pink, which I never knew. I always thought the figure had like a completely white face, like in the cartoon series, but apparently not. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12. Yeah, about 12 points of articulation. The arms move, and at the elbows, and the hands move up and down. Legs move, knees kind of bend, and the feet pivot as well. But most of it's essential for transformation. The main points of articulation are really his hands. He doesn't have any motion in the head though. What I don't like about the figure is how the arms move. If you notice, when you hold it like that, his arms look really small, and it just looks weird where they've put the actual joint. So he always looks better when he has his arms down and just say like a hand up like that, and putting in Aimless in there, like so. He looks better. I mean, I don't desperately like the robot mode on this guy, but I really like the transformation mode. And he's not accurate because compared to his G1 counterpart, because these bits here are supposed to kind of flip up like that so you can see them, or that's what it looks like on the cartoon anyway, if you've seen Misfire on either the Rebirth or on the Headmasters Takara series. But yeah, he's a good figure, and he was fairly expensive. I got him as cheap as I could find him. I had to pay £34 for him, which is quite a lot for like this figure, but the target masters, the Decepticon target masters especially, are extremely expensive, and I was lucky to find one this cheap. I've only seen one other Misfire. Well, I've seen one of the cheapish Misfire, and he was £64 complete. So I thought, you know, about half price, just about. I thought, why not? I mean, stickers are all good. But yeah, if you like the target masters, which I personally do, I'd get Misfire because this alt mode is awesome. I love it. Robot mode, bit of a letdown, but you know, and he looks good with any kind of kit, any kind of collection. So you know, I would say buy Misfire if you've got the money. If you don't have the money or you don't like target masters, then don't buy it. This is not really a toy. This is for collectors, really. Again, so yeah, thanks for watching my review. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys.